Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Vari. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can make a folder of apps on your home screen in your Android mobile phone. If you want to manage your home screen, you want some useless apps to make a folder so that they will not make a clutter on your home screen. You can make a folder of that useless apps. So very simple, what you have to do, you have to simply put one app on other in your Android mobile phone. Like this, I am putting this app on this adjacent app names fonts. I'm just putting this app on this app like this and leave. You can see the folder is created with this two apps. If I am opening this folder, you can see there are two apps in this folder. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.